Welcome to the Checkout Guide. In today's video, I'll show you how to reorder payment method using the Next Reorder app. So this help you display your preferred payment method first during checkout. So if you're new to this channel, please subscribe, like, share, comment and press the bell icon. Let's get started. First, we can go to the app section. Here we can choose the Next Reorder app. So to open the reorder payment method, we can choose the payment method and here click on quick reorder payment method. So to configure the rule, we can give the rule name as more Shopify payment first. Okay, the rule status is activated. So we can here select the payment method. So Shopify Pay. Okay. Now we can give that position in first one. So for that, for saving, we can go to the checkout and let's see where it is now. So the Shopify Pay is in the very last position. So now we give this first position, so that click on save. After that, we can check where it is. Okay, the rule has been created now. Go to this checkout section and let's refresh. Okay, now the Shopify Pay is in first option. So that is now the reorder happened is successfully completed. So now your preferred payment method displayed at the top of the list. So that's it. So showing your preferred payment method first can encourage customer to use it, helping create a smoother checkout experience and potentially reducing payment processing cost. So that's it. You have successfully reordered your payment method using the Next Reorder app. So if you found this helpful, please subscribe, like, share, comment and press the bell icon. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.